This is the front garden, guys. Look at that. The clematis are already blooming in full bloom. Look at that. And these are yellow roses. They're starting to open. Amazing. The clematis, they are so pretty, and the red roses as well. So there are two kinds of clematis. And down here, there. There. Someone is strolling in the garden. Is everyday strolling. Hello, baby. Hello. Hello, young man. Ay! He's pretending to look for his grass. In fact, he knows where his grass is. He just wanted to stroll. Yeah, he just wanted to know what's going on in this garden.